Welcome to another video. Today, as you can see from the title, today I'm babysitting a dog. For real, babysitting a real, actual dog. I've been showing myself on when May started. That's when I started to show myself. And now, sorry, right now, let me go outside because I get ready and dog's barking. Okay, hopefully y'all can see me better. Oh yeah, I'm babysitting a dog now. Again, yeah. Okay. Yesterday I was babysitting the dog. I wasn't recording. Because I forgot to bring my camera. My tablet off. Because I'm recording on a tablet, but still camera. Yeah. And what do I see? Dun, dun, dun. What happened to that broom? Look. Okay, as you can see in the title, I'm I got you now. After babysitting the dog, but then Sonic came back and got me. Guys. This is a big mistake, guys.